Welcome back! Today we'll talk about symmetry, a very common pattern in nature. These sunglasses are down here at the bottom of this slide because they show this pattern of symmetry. Today you will need paper, a pencil or colored pencils, and a ruler or a straight edge. Each ladybug has its own pattern of spots. What do you notice about the way those spots are arranged? Notice the line in the middle of the ladybug's back where the wings come together. This is called the line of symmetry. For each spot on one side of the line, there is a matching spot on the other side. Ladybugs are just one fun example of this two-sided or bilateral symmetry. Now you try it. On your paper, draw a line. Any line. This will be your line of symmetry. Draw a shape on one side of the line, and then draw a matching shape on the other side. Keep drawing, making sure you maintain symmetry on both sides of the line. Use color if you'd like to, but make sure your color is also symmetric. So first we're going to draw a line with the ruler and the pencil. This is going to be the line of symmetry. Then for every item I put on one side of the line, I have to put a matching item on the other side. You can draw whatever you want. Keep on drawing. It gets more and more fun as you think of more details to add, as long as you maintain the symmetry, since that's the point today. Now we'll think about this differently and draw lines of symmetry on shapes that we've drawn. Try drawing a square and then dividing it in half with a line of symmetry. How many different ways can you find to do that? Pause here and try again with a circle. Many other shapes have symmetry. Try drawing some shapes and look for the lines of symmetry. Check yourself. Did you identify all of these lines of symmetry for the square and the circle? Check out these cool examples of bilateral symmetry. Can you identify all the lines of symmetry? Now turn it around. Look around you and find some things that are not bilaterally symmetric, or draw some shapes that are not bilaterally symmetric. Symmetry is fun because once you learn to recognize it, you see it all around you. Today, you learned about a very common pattern in nature called bilateral symmetry. You drew your own pictures to show bilateral symmetry, and you thought about bilateral symmetry in common shapes. So now it's time to clean up all the way, and your last job is to explain to a friend, family member, or neighbor what you did. This helps you become more confident about explaining science to others. Don't forget to save your drawings in your notebook. Next time, we'll play with bilateral symmetry using a mirror. So you will need a small handheld mirror, ideally with a straight edge on it. See you next time.